Yesu oli mwana gwandeka omulonje omusaye gwonna zisa twebaza Yesu omulokozi.
Thank you for coming and thank you for your ministerial presence when this family needs you most. Looking at the biography of Keith and hearing all the tributes, because I've been following, this was a statesman par excellence, a senior economist, and this kind of breed, given his training, his skills, his experience and expertise, this kind of breed is hard to raise. Who lives and believes in me shall never die. We are also reminded that for I am convinced that neither death nor life, nor angels nor demons, neither the present nor the future, nor any powers, neither the height or depth, nor anything else in all creation will be able to separate us from the love of God that is in Jesus Christ.
Echetima n'obuve naye n'emmere tezimbulukuswa ey'amazima wataleebwa okuusa. Alleluia, alleluia.
Waters roar and foam, and the mountains quake with their surging. There is a river whose streams make glad the city of God, the holy place where the Most High dwells. God is within her. She will not fall. God will help her at break of day.
For your sake, we face death all day long. We are considered as sheep to be slaughtered. No, in all these things, we are more than conquerors through him who loved us.
Georgie.